Hello everybody, it's me again. Today I'm gonna show you when I print something with my 3D printer. It will be something pretty small but a very fun toy to play with. I'm gonna show you some that I already have printed out. Some they are big, some of them small. Yeah, and many of them very cool. Technically, all of them are very cool. Voila! It's finally done. It looks pretty done to me. Never wait until that second piece is done printing, because it comes in two pieces. Technically more than two pieces, but comes on two platforms. And I want to talk about the creator to this is going to come on the screen right now. Okay, now finally it works. I've recorded like 5 times before it's done. Anyway, I'm gonna show you later when it's done. So I think it's done printing. Oh, yeah, it is. It's very much done printing, but it's just like a mountain. Oh, I messed up a little bit. This one doesn't come up, so I'm gonna do a special way to get it off. So see you. Now I got the final piece. It is finally done. And I'm gonna show you how I used to build it. So this is how I build it. Let's take this piece and then put this piece on. So you gotta click. And you're halfway done. It's very easy to make. I take the wings. This part of the wings. Oh shit, I put it in. Now get out. I can see this little knobs here, like this, and bump here, and this piece has like a spike. You put those spikes in those bumps and you just push. And it's in and it should be able to move. Same thing with the other piece. Yes, boom, and you have cannon to it. Then when you're done with that, you just put these pieces in here, put the wings on it, then you flip it over and put a cannon inside of it. Jesus Christ, it needs a lot of force to put that cannon in. Oh, jeez. Yeah, I'm not getting this cannon inside. Wait, I don't know how to do it. Why didn't that work? I need a thumb to push it in. Yeah. Why? Pretty cool for my type. But I'm not so sure about why is it hole there? It's always 10 ways hole there. Right. It looks pretty cool. And I really love that style with the red and yellow piece because it looks very cool. Also this lighting. Like, oh shit. And also know this is the first one. It's my second one. And I also made this one. And I made this one. And I made this one. That's probably too many. It was more than I expected. Like what if this one, I don't really like this one. Probably because I messed up a little bit on this one. Or can I set this right this way? A rainbow party. This is better. This one did a little bit of a problem. Why did I? And so it got red right there. Probably I printed this one after I printed this one. And it's red. And a little bit of plastic on, so it got still on, so messed this one up. So it's a little bit. So my print is wrong, but I still like it. And this one is actually from my brother. And I realize I like something now. It looks like it was made for McDonald's. McDonald's. Yeah, weird. I really love the creator of these robot things. They're a very great toy. I really love to mess around with it. Yep, so fun to mess around with. There was this ball joint and I really love how it looks. It only got 2 propellers. Well, at least it doesn't get 4. 4 is too many in my head. But it's still good. Those in one color. But that's why, because these 2 that fly as 2 colors. But my personal favorite to mess with is this one. Do you hear that? It's fun to mess with because if you just do this on it, this wheel goes, it spins around. Wheel and it's coming again. Move a little bit too fast. Yeah, I really like it. But I wish I print more. I can actually. But if I only get 10 likes on this video, only 10, trust me, only 10 likes, I do a project. Now I do like a war field for these guys. Just print a lot of them and then do it's a game. In my mind,